Hey guys, you got some naan? Just try mini pizza recipe. For this you can use any pizza or pasta sauce. Spread evenly. Here we got some toppings. You can use any toppings as your choice. Spread some cheese. I had just mozzarella cheese, but you can add more varieties. Spread your toppings. This could be a very kids friendly activities where kids like to do this kind of thing. Preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit and bake for 7-8 minutes. And ta-da! Your delicious pizza is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe.